Hey Savvy friends, it's Stephanie with Savvy Girl Saves. Welcome to if you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. I so appreciate you. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be working on the Christmas binder and my roll and save binder. So let's get into it. But before we get started, all the links to, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and all the links to all the things will be down in the description box below, as well as a link to join my email list where I share all kinds of fun things just about regular life. So let's get going. I am going to change it up a little bit. So I have decided, I came across Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. Oh my God, I'm watching her playlist now. I'm running it for her, and I'm watching and listening like at the same time. And oh my God, she does box challenges, hundreds of them for free on her Ko-fi. So I'm going to finish these challenges today. I took the money out of the scratcher. I only scratched one. So I took the money out of the scratcher and I added it to my weekly $25. It was only $8. And I'm going to randomize it into the rest of these 5 challenges. And I'm going to finish them because starting whenever these are done, I got her Christmas box. Christmas savings box. So I need to change it up because I've been doing these minis for Christmas for, I don't know, months, and I want to change it up. So this is her Christmas box. Look at the dabbing Santa. It's got 8 sections and Shut the Christmas Door, Snowflake Roll and Save, bonus rolls, and then the cards. I didn't finish cutting the cards yet, but this was free on her Ko-fi. Go get you some. So as soon as I can finish those, I'm gonna play this just to change it up. So if you have not checked her out yet, please do. She is fantastic and she's entertaining, and all she does is, well, not all she does, but she does way more boxes than anybody I've ever seen, and she creates them and she puts them all for free on her Ko-fi. Her playlist is great. Go get you some. So let's see. Today we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we're going to put this spicy 5 in here somewhere. I am going to roll a 3-sided die, and it will tell me how many bills I'm putting in here, 1 through 5. Let's go. So it's super quiet now this time of year because the windows are closed, because it's hot as a witch's you know what. But how hot is that really? I'm not sure. It's so hot outside. It is officially summer here. I'm in New England, and it's just hot and it's gross. All right, and there's nothing in 6, so let's go back to the front. This binder is by Bookish Mama Budgets, and she just like literally 3 days ago, something like that, redid her her Etsy shop. So I'm not sure if this one is available, but she's got some really beautiful other Christmas binders. One's like a pink one. Oh, they're beautiful. So if you're looking for a binder like this, go hit her up. She's the one to go to. The service is great. She's super sweet and friendly. The binders are major high quality, and customer service is fantastic, and she ships real quick. Like, you're not going to be waiting months for your stuff. I've ordered from a couple of people on Etsy that have taken months to get, to the point where I'm like, just cancel it, forget it. I know you're making it, but like it shouldn't take this long. All right, let's see what else we got. Man, I feel like this is taking forever. Probably because I rolled a bunch of 1s. And 2, we got 2 left. Number 5, we're not going to pin it because we'll see where we're at first. All right, let's see. Number 1 got the spicy 5. I do love these, but I'm looking to change it up. I like the boxes. I have a love-hate relationship with the boxes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me grab a pen. And this is from Cash Money Budgets. Christmas calories don't count. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. And if another one finishes, and there's leftover, I will for sure put it in here, because the goal today is to get these finished, so then I can put these in the high yield account and start the Christmas box as soon as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's only 4. Oh my God, isn't that funny? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ring a ding 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 do. Because this one, that's all it needed to finish. So it had 3 left. And you know where that 3 is going, right? Good. So this has 4, 8, 12, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Beautiful. Oh, oh, oh. Last time I did this, I wrote it myself. Look what I ordered. It clicks. So I can close it. You know, I used to wonder why. I'm like, why do all the girls use those pens that click and they're clicking it open and close every single time? What are they doing? Well, now I realize why, because then they don't write on things. They don't write on things. These are Amazon Basics. I haven't used them yet, so. Oh, it's kind of nice. Oh, that's a little more orange than I would say red, but hey, that's all right. I didn't, the Sharpie, only Sharpie ones I could find, it was like only red, blue, and black, and I wanted the wide variety, so this was, I'll link it down below. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Thank you, Cash Money Budgets. So this is 16, and it's going towards Christmas. Oh, but look at that. I wonder when that happened. Whatever. All right, so let's close this one up. So this money will go right into the high yield. All right, let's see. What do we got in number 3? Number 3 is from Teacher Mom Budgets, and this is a 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we only got 3 in here. We'll see how this one goes. 2, 4, 6. Wishful thinking I was going to get this one done in time. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We'll see how the rest of these go. The last 2 go. I might just call that one done because I really want to start the box next week. All right, this is from Budgeting with Amanda, and this one only needed 2 to finish. It got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it only needed 2 to finish. Ring a ding 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 do. I don't know where that came from. I say that every time. I'm hoping someone knows where that came from. I can see like a funny black comedian singing it, doing something with it. I don't know. All right, that was number 4. All right, let's see number 5. The last one is Harry Potter. This is Saving with Tiffany. It needed 4 to finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's exactly what it got. So this was also a save. All right, I like these. I can't say I'd color with them because the tip is round. It's not very pointed, but they're good for this. All right, this is 16, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Sweet. Ring-a-ding-ding. Anyway, I can see some kind of black comedian dancing like this and sing, and I don't know who it is. I don't know who it is. All right, so let's see. Let's see how much we got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should we just call this one done, friends, so I could start the Christmas box next week? 2, 4, 6. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think that's what I'm going to do because I really want to start the box. I really want to start the box. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 16, and 16. All right, so let's count this one up here. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. I mean, we still have $30. That's, seriously. Let's call it done. Let's call it done, friends. All right, so we got 30 in here. We're going to cross this off, and we're going to write 30. Perfect. Ooh, we got all those finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that was exactly my plan today. How well that worked out. All right, Bookish Mama. I love this one, but it's going to take a back seat for a little bit because next week we're going to start the Christmas box. All right, let's get into the roll and save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just do the... Oh, geez. Sorry, friends. That was a good one. Let's put these in here. Let's not put them in here. I'm going to do this now. The ding, ding, ding. We got 5. Do I have a 5 in here? I do. All right, so I have not done the reallocation yet or the counting up to see how much we saved in June. So I'm just going to leave those challenges to the side for now until after I film how much we saved in here for June and then allocate it. All right, so that's over there. Now we're going to put this pen away and we're going to get this pen. Let's do aqua. All right, let's get into the roll and save. I'm super excited for this one. I got all of my die over here. I think I need a little more of this. Let's see what we got. I go smart this time. Second, third time around, I got some 20s. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. All right, so we got $150 to play with today. A little more than usual, which was kind of a nice surprise. All right, and we're going to roll and play. And we're going to roll each one 2 times. All right, so this got a 1. We definitely got to roll again. And a 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's see what we got in here. Maybe we can condense something. Oh yeah, let's trade these 2 5s for a 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, this is how I have to do it. Otherwise, I'll get confused. All right, so I'm gonna put this in here. And I decided I'm not gonna count these until they're done. This one's going to anniversary, which I think I'm gonna put in a box to play with. I don't know yet. This is going to the anniversary fund because I'm planning a secret trip for my husband. Oh, my husband and I next year. I gotta tell you what I did. So I'm looking at like, I'm watching some reels that are showing like destinations. This one's a D4. That show destinations of all these really cool places that are local to us, like weekend kind of things. Got a 4. Put 1 back and get a 5. Trade the 2 5s for a 10. So I'm looking at all these cool places. Well, one of them I really am interested in. So I decide to plug it into my GPS and see how far it is, how far the drive is. And I hit go. Starting your route to yada yada. My husband whipped his head around and he's like, is that where you're going? I'm like, oh my God, you weren't supposed to know. He goes, what do you mean I wasn't supposed to know? Where are you going? What are you doing? I was like, I'm trying to plan a trip for us. He was like, oh, well, just so you know, I've never been there before. Like, okay, all right, we got a D6. So, oh my God, I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Let's roll one more time. All right, so we got 4, 5, 6, 10, 12. So, yep, the whole GPS completely spoiled it. I don't know why I didn't think to myself that, let's trade these in for a 20, that it's going to talk. Yep. Starting route 2, I'm like, oh my God, you've got to be kidding me. Gotta be kidding. This is from Weekly Budgets and Savvy Girl Saves. This is a collab that we did together. And this is going towards the car maintenance. And I didn't share this one. I'm sorry because I was too busy talking. This is from CBA Mom Saves. It's your June, July, and August group play. It says roll a D4 and play along with me. And this is going to my husband's sinking fund. All right, yep. And this one's going to car maintenance. I'm going to leave it out because we might get around it again. This next one is from Shades Budget. And this says, how do cows like their coffee? Caffeinated. And this is a D8. D8. Nope, that's a 10. This is an 8. All right, this one got a 3. Oh, that's with the low numbers. Come on, people. All right, so we got 8. Oh, 8. I know, it's crazy. There are plenty of other budgeters who have to do this. They have to like put the money together before they can trade it in. Oh, and here's, we can trade this for the other 20. Perfect. All right, there we go. Got 2 rows there. Like I said, I'm not going to count it up until the end. This one is another D8, and this is from Budgeting with Kim. This is going to healthcare. 1, oh, that's some monkey baloney. 2, definitely monkey baloney. 5, there we go. Let's go 1 more for this one. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see, can we take a 1 out and put in a 10? All right. I love this roll and save. I also found some D10. I found some bigger like roll and save games. So when one of these is done, I think I'm going to put the dashboard in here and then have the roll and save game. Not really a game, it's like a bunch of images and you roll and save. This is from Savvy Girl Saves the Weekly Budgets Code. This is my part of the collab. You can find both of these for free on our Ko-Fi. And a 7, 5, 6, 7. So I can trade these in for a 10, right? And then trade, can we trade here? Well, look at this poor dollar. Oh, it's seen better days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, there we go with that one. And this one is also going to anniversary. I'm trying to get a little jump ahead because I decided to save for anniversary, like our anniversary was May, so I'm like already 2 months behind. I like to do it for a year. All right, this one is a D12. This one is 12. I like to break it up. 777. Should I go to the casino? Not really. I don't like to gamble. I work way too hard for my money to give it to somebody else. That's my opinion. All right, so we're going to put a 10 in there because we saved 9. And we got one more. This is from CBA Mom Saves also. And this one is a D20. This is a big one. This is a big one. This is a dice set I also got on Amazon. I'll link it down below for you. We got a 9. Let's roll one more time. And an 11. 20 bucks. Whoa, this one is done faux show. All right, let's go back through and see what else, because we still got a little bit of money left up in here. Let's see what we got. This is a D3. Let's finish this row. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. And I'm not counting these. I do condense, but I'm not going to count until the challenge is over. Oh my God, come on. So what is everybody doing for the holiday weekend? I completely forgot. Today's Thursday. It's a holiday weekend. Like, what are you doing? We're hanging home. My husband was trying to, this is a D4. He was trying to get tickets to the 2, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's much better. He was trying to get tickets to the Mets-Yankee game. And usually we get our tickets from a friend, and he gives us his tickets because they're season passes, and we just pay him, you know, for his tickets. This is a D6. But he wanted like $1,000 for the 3 tickets. We were like, yeah, nope, not happening. Not happening. Let's roll again. 6. Not happening. It's not going to happen. So, but then he just messaged and said that he was going to take it down from StubHub and he's going to offer us a better price, but still $600 to watch a baseball game. I said, well, that was not in the budget. If you want to go, you can go. We'll figure it out. All right, this is a D8. That's 10. Here's 8. All right, we got 8. And 7 is 15. 5, 10, 15. We definitely need bigger bills for this. I think I'm learning bigger bills. All right, here we go. This is also a D8. We got a 6 and a 1. Let's go one more time. So, 11. 5 and 11. All right, that's good. That's good. Anyway, we are saving for a game that he wants to. Which one's this? D10. We are saving. I am saving for him to go to a game 9. Yeah, let's stop there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are saving for him to go to a game in September, which is an alumni game. I know I've talked about that before, and that's like much more important to him. All right, let's see. D12 is this guy here. Whew, 5. Do we even have 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we're going to call it a 4. All right, there we go. The Rollin' Saves are done. I love this binder. Bookish Mama Budgets. I got it from her. Totally was her idea. But I think, like I said, once one of these are done, probably one of the D6 envelopes, whenever these finish. Well, that's a D8. I only have one D6. D8, yeah. Maybe when that one finishes, I'll put the dice game in there with like the dashboard and play the big. I can't remember who I got it from. I have so many. All right, here we go. All right, friends, thank you so much for spending some of your time with me today. I really appreciate it more than words can say. I am working really hard to get to those 4,000 hours. So if you get bored and you miss me and you need some entertainment, I will put a playlist here of all my videos, and over here I will put my binder video, since if you missed all my binders, I'll share it with you right there. Thanks so much. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.